different person that time, and too many revolutions we can see as well.
Yeah.
And especially one more dialogue he's saying always, because he's doing big charities.
Yeah.
And he's saying, anything happen to my life, but I will never stop helping and loving people the way Jesus says to us.
Yes.
He's quoted for that. So how can you describe his charities he's done in life and it still is going on?
Yeah, still, I think people are still going on. He had this, MJ used to live in a place called Neverland. Neverland is a ranch, it's thousands of acres. That was where his home, he built his home, it's called Neverland. That Neverland is like Disney. You know, we're going to Disneyland.
Yeah, Disneyland is for fun activities and
That's the same thing he built. He built zoos, he built theater, he built where kids could come and play. It was big like that. He built something like Disneyland. So Neverland, that is Neverland. So Michael Jackson created that was for kids, mostly was for kids. Kids who do not have much in life, kids who were sick, kids who had cancer. He could bring them there, they could stay there for a month, he could pay for everything. So he has been doing charity for a very, very long time. By the way, Neverland came from the cartoon called Peter Pan. That's where he got the name. Peter
Okay.
Pan is a cartoon called Peter Pan. And if people who have watched Peter Pan, they know where people say they go to Neverland. Neverland is a place where people go and have fun and stuff like that. Anyway, so that's where he got the word. I think he had something with for Peter Pan. So, apart from building Neverland and allowing a lot of kids to go there, thousands of kids used to go there.
okay. For everyone, there is no.
Yeah.
Uh,
I think nowadays they open for people, but usually it was for kids because what he had done there was only for kids. Everything was, it was like Disneyland. The way you know Disneyland in your mind, how it was, it was the same thing.
but
Only
Disneyland, parents also go with them.
yes, sometimes you would go with parents. Children would go with parents.